If you want to combine layers in Photoshop, there are a few simple ways to do it depending on what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to merge selected layers, merge one layer down, and merge everything that's visible on your canvas. This is one of those Photoshop basics that can save you a lot of time once you know when to use each method. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about merging selected layers. This is the best option when you only want to combine certain layers, not your entire project. In your Layers panel, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac, then click each layer you want to combine. You can select as many layers as you need, as long as they're all part of the same merge. Once your layers are selected, right-click on any one of them and choose Merge Layers. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. Photoshop will immediately combine those selected layers into one standard image layer. Just remember, this is a permanent change, so if you think you may need those individual layers later, it's always smart to save a copy first. Now, let's move to the second option, which is Merge Down. This is perfect when you only want to combine one layer with the layer directly underneath it. To do this, click on the top layer in your Layers panel. Then press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac, and Photoshop will merge that layer straight down into the layer below. This is really useful when you're building a design step by step and want to simplify your layer stack without affecting the rest of the document. It keeps things organized, especially when you've got lots of adjustment layers, text, or image layers working together. Next is Merge Visible, which is the option you want when you only want to combine what you can currently see on the screen. This is great if you have some layers that should stay hidden and not be included in the final merged result. Before you merge, just click the eye icon next to any layers you want to keep out of the merge. That hides them from view. After that, press Ctrl+Shift+E on Windows or Command+Shift+E on Mac. Photoshop will merge all the visible layers into one while leaving the hidden layers untouched. This is a very handy method when you want a flattened version of your visible design, but still want to preserve hidden elements for later edits. So to quickly recap, use Merge Layers when you want to combine only selected layers, use Merge Down when you want to merge one layer into the layer viewed beneath it, and use Merge Visible when you want to merge everything currently showing on the canvas. Each one has a slightly different purpose, and once you understand the difference, it becomes much easier to work faster in Photoshop. One important tip before you merge anything: if you're working on a design you may need to edit again later, duplicate your file or save a layered version first. That way, if you make a mistake or want to go back, you still have access to all your original layers. Merging is powerful, but it's always best to work smart. If this video helped you learn how to combine layers in Photoshop, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.